9. Hi! Bobo, how many times?
What?
Whatever.
Well, what are you gonna do right now? Punch me like this?
No, like this. That's even more better than yours.
Not at my watch.
Whatever, dude. You're just trying to be so rude.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'll be back, okay? Okay, we'll wait for you. Now, I'm gonna do something later. They're always in. Okay, we'll wait for you.
So then, just stop.
Fine. Okay, we'll wait for you.
What? Just stop in our. Take this, actually. Take this.
Hey, stop.
No. That's what you get, right, Bobo? That's what he gets?
Yeah.